Unotoa language mangani?
5.
Chine chi?
Koza English, African, Shona na Portuguese.
Sa dai wakura dai origin.
Lawyer.
Sai ko nune makoro mangani? Ni makoro chen. Unodza ku? Unodza ku?
Ndaba ku primary.
Oh. Saka Shona wakadzidzwa nani?
Ndakadzidziswa Aisha neMaisha ndidzi. But manje ari ku Zimbabwe. Ndakadzidza 2013 Shona.
Ko Africans?
African ndakadzidza pachikoro.
Kubi?
Pakube primary.
Khoya mora.
Mora. Kanot.
Khan khut met me. Ko Portuguese?
Portuguese ndikuziya pa church. Obrigado ita basa. You say how are you? Robot, I'm fine. And I'm obrigado, thank you.
Saka mukadzi anonzi chini Portuguese. Mukadzi.
Andinamboziya but ndikudzidza ne andinamboziya reso. Kudzidza.
Oh, you are learning.
I'm learning Shona. I'm not Shona Portuguese. I do not know it perfect.
Ko Shona?
Shona ndakandinoziya perfect.
Perfect. Wakambwena Zimbabwe?
Baba vangu ari Congolese, andisiya ndine 2, but manje akaenda kuCongo. Andinambomuona but if ndakapedza chikoro, ndinoendomuona paCongo. Because anoningembira ati anouya, but anambouya futhi. But maybe apuwa ikoko, ne? Maybe my father's poor there, I do not know if he's poor or not poor, ne? So that's why I think I must go visit my father. Some people, they say to me, no, I mustn't go visit my father. It's supposed to be my father who comes see me. I tell them, no, I have to go see my father because maybe my father is poor there in Congo. I do not know because he left me when I was 2 years old. So I mustn't blame him that he's not coming to see me. I'm going to go see him myself. Maybe he's poor behind his marriage.
So you think your father is married?
I know he is married. I know he is married. But maybe he's poor. I do not know if he's poor. I do have his number. But I'm going to first ask my uncle. When I finish school, I'm going to first ask my uncle that know my father here in Joslova. They're all uncles that know my father. Yeah, and I'm going to ask them for a map for me to give me. And then I travel to Congo. When I have a CV, then I can travel to Congo.
Yeah, you're very clever, eh?
I'm going to learn all the languages. I wanted to be a lawyer when I grew up, but not anymore. They has lied to the people so much.
Yes.
I want to go air to you see. Those 2 naughty boys, people and more. Yeah, I'm gonna be their friends. They're gonna be my friends also. I'm gonna go act with them there by Nigeria.
So are you learning lessons of entertainment or something?
No, when I grow up, I'm gonna learn when I finish school.
You've been in entertainment industry?
Yeah.
You act dramas and stuff? So what's your name?
My name is Liam.
What does it mean in Shona?
In Shona? What must I say? What's my name in Shona?
So in Portuguese?
I do not know.
Also in Portuguese you're still learning?
Yeah, I'm still learning.
And Afrikaans?
Afrikaans I know.
What do you say?
What? When I say what?
When you want to say what is your name?
Yeah, what's your name?
What's your name? Oh, okay, alright. So here there are no scholars, you're not afraid of scholars here?
No, I do have a phone, I'm afraid. And when I think I'm going to be a lawyer. And when I'm a lawyer, the police, there's not going to be torture. I'm going to put them for 5 years in jail. And I'm going to take them out after 5 years. And then if they steal again, I'm going to put them for 10. Growing up like that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Growing up like that.
But you said you don't want to be a lawyer anymore.
If I am going to be, because my dream was to be a lawyer. But now I change. Yeah.
Why?
I do not know, because lawyers lie. They lie to the people so much.